How to get $80 Cabelas promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in cabelas.com and search for it. You will be directed to the official website of Cabelas. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, you can type in the code and just with that, you'll get the discount. But how can you get Cabelas promo code? For that, open a new tab, then type in Cabelas promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get Cabelas promo code. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. 10% coupon code, $10 coupon code, 25% offer, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on view coupon. So here's the code, you can copy it, then click on visit Cabelas. You will be directed to the official website. Now log into your account. Make your purchase, proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you will see the section of promo code. Paste the code, confirm your order, and you'll get the discount. Also try out other offers, as in this page you're going to find tons of offers. Go through these websites as well, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for Cabelas. Well, this way you can easily get up to $80 Cabelas promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.